Gusto mo magpa-acne scar treatment pero wala kang panahon? May solusyon tayo dyan. Hi, this is Dr. Miriam Adreneda, PDS Board Certified Dermatologist and acne scar doctor since 2016. Tignan mo to, kahit once or twice a year ka lang magpa-treatment, kaya pa din mag-improve ng acne scars mo. Ang importante, tama ang treatment at consistent ka sa pag-apply ng medical grade skincare. For example, itong patient namin na to na nag-send ng pictures niya, nakaka-4 na sessions pa lang siya ng synergistic acne scar treatment. So, sinimulan namin sa 5-in-1 with CO2 synergistic acne scar treatment noong May 2024 and then sinundan siya ng 3-in-1 with CO2, Exosome, and Juvelook. So, kapansin-pansin na mas nag-improve yung skin niya noong October 2025 after mag 3-in-1, CO2, and Juvelook. And kung mapapansin nyo, permanent yung results. Yun ang pinaka-importante. So, kung limited lang ang time mo para magpa-acne scar treatment, subukan mo kahit once or twice a year lang, basta tama ang treatment combinations at consistent ang medical grade skincare. So, if you want to improve your scars, send us a DM and we'll plan out a treatment program for you. Thank you!